305. 4305. I need office as well. Show me 1019. 1019, 20%.
Watch out for a dog. Police department. Farmington Police. Four 108.
408.
Can you try to call him back? Tell him to come to the door.
Confirming no one's come to the door.
A-firm, if you can call the RP back and have him come to the door.
So, bro, see if the answer. 415.
Farmington Police.
40541, Discovery Center, mail 12. 40524, 2239.
It might have been 4308.
Is it 43 or 5308?
Yeah, it might have been 5308. Right?
Is it not 5308? That's what it said right there, right?
No, this is 5305, isn't it?
108. Can you 10-9 the address?
5308 Valley View Avenue had a confidence factor of 6.
Don't tell me I'm wrong. Oh, shit. Hey, hands up! Shots fired, shots fired!
1033 on channel 1033.
Yeah, you good? You good?
Yeah, I'm
back
good.
up, back up, back up. Check yourself, check yourself.
I'm good. Good?
What unit? 408 to 5308 Valley View Avenue. 10-4.
4108.
4108.
All three are good.
We're 10-4. We're gonna back up a little bit. Back up, back up, back up.
Here, 10-4 backing up.
Okay.
One.
4108. We have one down at the doorway. Hey,
Copy, you have one down.
I got you covered. Move, move.
Moving.
Let's move out. Hands up!
Man!
Go, go, go! 4108. Shots fired again.
Copy, shots fired again.
415, we need units now.
Okay.
Farmington Police!
Hey. Hey.
Somebody get the back. Hey, hey.
Shots fired, shots fired!
1033 on channel 1033.
Yeah, you good? You good?
Yeah, I'm
back
good.
Up, back up, back up. Check yourself, check yourself.
I'm good. Good?
What unit? 408 to 5308 Valley View Avenue. 10-4.
4108.
408.
All three are good.
We're 10-4. We're going to back up a little bit. Back up, back up, back up.
One down. Hey, he went down.
Hey, I got you covered. Move, move,
Moving.
move out. Hands up!
please don't. Man!
4108, shot fired again.
4115, we need units now.
Farmington police!
Hey, somebody get the back.
I'm with you. We're gonna tack load.
I'm up. Everybody good?
I'm good.
You good?
He's good.
I'm on the back south. I'm on the corner of Florida. Copy. Two different occupants, male and female.
Male's down.
Hey, let's go! Shot fired!
1033 on channel 10, 1033 on channel 10, shots fired.
I'm good. I'm good.
Back up,
I'm good.
Check yourself.
I'm good. You good?
I'm good.
What unit? 4108 at 5308 Valley View Avenue. 10-4. 4108. 4108.
All three are good.
10-4, we're gonna back up a little bit.
Back up.
Here, 10-4 backing up.
Need some cover.
One down.
One down. Copy, one down.
Got you covered. Move.
Okay.
Move out. Hands up!
Man!
Shot fired again.
Copy, shots fired again. 4115, we need units now.
Farmington police!
We can still hear the female crying inside. The male I saw go down. Ma'am, this is the Farmington Police Department! Come out with your hands up, open, and empty! Four 115. We get a unit to the front, please.
She said something about upstairs.
Huh?
She just said something about going upstairs.
So we come to we're knocking on the door, no one's coming out. I hear a metallic, like a gun cocking. Me back up, the dude comes to the door, points the firearm at us, and then we get in a gunfight. And then female comes out of the house, and she points it at us as well.
And she's still inside?
Yes, from my knowledge. So still up there on the front. I had back here with me. We got containment real quick, so no one's came out of the house. So we saw male go down, and then female came, and then
Where?
at the front. I had them go to the front. You good? Hey,
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Check it real quick.
What do you need?
She said something about going upstairs, guys.
You can come up to my unit
So,
at Valley View.
because you got the long gun,
Cedar Vista.
watch that top right there, okay? Relax, okay?
Okay.
Has he got that top window?
Yeah, he's got the top window.
Yeah, I got this thing right in front of me, so I can't really see it. I can see it, I'm good.
Yeah.
You see that, you guys? Are you good?
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
He came out with a handgun.
Hey, no more excited utterances, okay? You're good.
She pointed a gun at us too, so you know.
Hey, Miss, this is the police department. We're here to help you, but we need you to come out with your hands.
What do you need? You can come up to my unit at Valley View. Cedar Vista.
You can come out with your hands up.
Okay.
Come on. We can help you, man, but we need you to come outside. Miss, it's really important so we can get him help. Somebody come out. Help me. Man, come out here. Come outside so we can get inside?
Yeah,
Okay.
he's right at the door.
Right at the door?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the gun at?
He dropped it and then she picked it up and pointed it at us.
4142, we have the children on the phone. All three are upstairs in 10-4. Direct, we're giving commands now. Copy, giving commands.
Come out with your hands up, come to us. Come to us. We can help you. We're gonna help you. Come out. Come up with the shield. The back of this car. Come on, ma'am. Come here. Come to us. Come to us. Come to us. Come to us. We're gonna help him.
Just stay. Hold that door.
I can rope down the fence if we need it.
Get her in cuffs.
Get out. We got her. Sir, this is the police department. If you can hear me, you need to come out with your hands up, open and empty. Do it now. All right, fellas, we're good here. Three kids upstairs.
Three kids upstairs.
Yeah.
Three kids upstairs. He's 10-7.
Kids, police, you're all right. Go with them.
He's 10-7.
Okay, this is done. Okay, we're good.
Easy. No one else needs to come in here.
You good?
Yeah.
Hey, just keep them upstairs.
Just stay up there.
Where you need me?
What do you want me to do? We don't need anyone else. Dispatch.
Where you want me to go?
Just go chill out by a unit real quick.
4114.
You good?
Yes, sir.
You hurt anywhere?
No, I'm good.
No? Okay. You alright?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. You alright, man?
Yeah, I'll be
Good.
alright.
Okay. Cool. You can shut that down.
Okay.
Good one. Okay.